Welcome back. My name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes, and today we're opening 3 of them, one of which is new to our channel. So we have the Awakening in a Box, Awaken Box, and then Tamed Wild, and the new box is the Witch's Roots. So super excited. To be honest, I forgot I even ordered this. I went on a little shopping spree around like Cyber Monday, Black Friday, and I got a lot of boxes that fit my current loves and interests and all of that for our channel. And that is one of them. So yeah, today we're going to be unboxing all these. Everything will be linked down below along with any promo codes I can find. So I paid for all of these. So none of these were sent in PR. I paid for all of them, just FYI. And yeah, I think that's it. Let's get started. So one of them normally comes in a box, but they sent an email out that there was some like shortage or something, so it came in a bag. I didn't know what it was at first, so I already opened it. But that's the Awakening in a Box. I get 2 boxes by them, the Mystical Tarot box as well. I just got notification that that shipped yesterday. So this is the November box, and so is the Tamed Wild. They usually come towards the end of the month, so that's why we're opening them in the beginning of December. But in the Awaken box by Awakening in a Box, you get 3 healing crystals and other items that relate to the monthly theme. And the items that come like with it this month are so awesome, because the first thing here is by Autumn Stroll, and it's a candle warmer gift set. So this is a pretty big item, and I should probably tell you the price. It's like $16. I think it comes out to be around $20 with shipping. It used to be $14, and I think it went up to like $15.95 or something like that. But I think it's worth it so far in my experience. I've gotten it at least a few months now. So here is like the base of it. Love that it's gold. And this must be where we put the wax melts. And I could smell right away when I opened this, like whenever that was the other day, and I'm really excited. I love wax melts. So we have our little dish here. What do you think? Is that how you do it? Probably, right? And then you guys get a good enough picture. I'm sure you guys have seen a wax melter before, but that one's super cute, and I love how it looks. Like the gold and white is kind of going with my aesthetic. I'm liking gold a lot lately. I just want to have like gold and green everywhere for like abundance and prosperity. So then we have 4 tea lights by Willow Collective, and also by Willow Collective is the Autumn Stroll set of 4 wax melts, earthy firwood mixed with fruity notes. Smells so good. And then, so those are our things that went with the theme. I can't remember what the exact theme is. They said they sent an email with it, but whatever, it doesn't matter. I like that. And we got 3 crystals. You know, I love crystals, and I love that they come with these little cards. So on here, they will give you an affirmation and then talk more about the properties of the crystals, and also what chakras they align with, and zodiac signs. So these are super useful. Love it. And it looks like we have, I think like self-care might be the theme. We have 1 rose quartz, and they label all the bags so you know what's what, especially useful for those new to crystals and all of that. And this affirmation is, I am grateful that I'm able to give and receive love. Yes, it's all about self-love. This is what made me think that might be the theme. I won't read all of the descriptions for time's sake, but we have fluorite here, which I love fluorite. It is one of my faves. I just got it in another box recently. I think it last Witchy Wednesday, but here it is. You know, I love green. I am grateful to be a part of this amazing universe. And this is really good for those of you working on like your third eye or intuition and stuff like that. It's a protective stone too. I just love everything about it. And then we have rich jade, which again, like protective, abundant. I love green. Oh my God, this one's really pretty. I don't have a jade stone that looks like this. Sorry, I just realized I didn't take the rose quartz out. Is that focusing well? I feel like there's a shadow, but hopefully you can see how beautiful this is. And for the rich jade, I like how it's rich too. Yes, bring me abundance, please. I am grateful for the loved ones I have in my life. Oh, that's so awesome. So that was everything in the Awakening in a Box, Awaken box. Stay tuned for the Mystical Tarot box. Like I said, that just shipped. But now let's move on to Tamed Wild. So Tamed Wild is $25 a month, and you get a ritual every month and the tools to do so and some like information on the background of the ritual. I think it's actually $20 with $5 shipping, so that's how it's $25. It's right around $25. And again, everything will be linked down below, and I'll put the pricing too. So when I open it up, it looks like we're doing some wild wisdom for Gaia. So it must be some herbal stuff. So here's what it looks like. So the cards they give you every month are so cute. Like you can, I know some people put them in like Book of Shadows or Grimoire or whatever, but they're really like well written too. They write a story about the goddess or god of the month and all about the products. So this is Gaia's apothecary, and Gaia is the goddess of earth, a divine presence in all that we do on this planet. And then it talks more about her and the ritual we're going to do and the products inside. So what is the ritual? Let's see if it says that really quick. So Earth itself is a magical place. This ritual reminds us that we are one with nature and that our latitude and longitude line flows through our bodies. Sometimes we forget these lessons or we feel detached from Gaia, goddess, and all that is. During those moments, all we must do is imagine our own roots going into the earth so that we can soar into our highest self. So I guess let's look at what else is in here and that will help us. But I think we're just connecting to Mother Earth, Gaia. So the first thing we have here is herbal steam. Traditional uses, clearing sinuses during cold, flu, and allergy seasons. Wow, what a good time to send this out. And it contains eucalyptus leaves, stinging nettle, peppermint, wintergreen essential oil. So you place a teaspoon of the herbs and into a bowl and add boiling water and place a towel over your head and bowl to create a tent and breathe deeply for 5 to 10 minutes and add leftover water or blend in a bath. Maybe I shouldn't do this here in case I spill it, but oh no. Ooh, smell that right away. I feel like that just like opened up my nasal passages. So I can, like, it wasn't really stuffy though, it's more like an allergy thing I always have. But anyways, let's move on. We have some calendula skin salve for cuts, scrapes, and burns. I love this. It's all herbal medicine stuff. So this contains calendula oil, olive oil, canola, sunflower oil, whole calendula flowers, beeswax, tea tree essential oil, and vitamin E oil. And it says apply topically to the skin. It doesn't really smell like much. Like there's a slight smell, but nice. I feel like in a past life I was an herbalist, like an alchemist, witch doctor. Did I tell you guys that already? In this life I got a little confused and got my pharmacy degree. But next up we have the Tamed Wild Ancient Herbs Poultice blend. It contains comfrey and arnica and poultice. Am I saying that? I don't know this word. Poultices are blends. Okay, it describes it. Poultices are blends of healing herbs that can be crushed, moistened, and applied topically to wounds, aches, and pains. Also known as battlefield medicine, poultices were used in historical wars to treat soldiers on the battlefield. Do not apply to broken skin. So we usually get a tea. This is cool. I have some comfrey in my collection. I don't think I have any arnica, so awesome. Oh, what is... Well, first let's look at this. But there's like a bag in there, something maybe to keep all your like herbal medicines and stuff. But we have 100% pure therapeutic grade tea tree essential oil. And it's 10 milliliters by La Lune Rising. And this is what I was talking about. Look at this cute bag. I love this. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And here's a little loop. You can hang it from something or attach it. And it has a zipper closure and just open like that. Awesome. So let's see if there's any more information I can get you for our ritual. So you prepare an altar if you'd like, and you place all the items and bless them before using them as part of your apothecary, and then finally place your wild medicine bag on the altar to consecrate the bag as a magical tool. And then you sit and give thanks to Gaia. Think about all that Gaia has blessed you with, and it gives you some thoughts and words to say, and then you can start using your items. And then again, it talks all about Gaia and the items. So awesome. I'm excited about this. And I think that bag's the cutest. But that was it for Tamed Wild for November. Now let's open the new box, the Witch's Roots. So I don't know much about it besides we get witchy type products, and it's $24 and there's $5 shipping. So I paid $29 for this box and I got through Cratejoy. So I don't know why I keep saying this, I already did, but it'll be linked down below if you're interested. But I think the box is really cute. I'm excited to see what's inside. Ooh, is there a sigil right on top? Yeah, this is definitely more witchy. Like, I mean, all these boxes I open, like on this day, Witchy Wednesday, are like spiritual, but like this looks witchy. I mean, it's called the Witch's Roots, but I wonder what this means. Is it even the right way? I don't know. I bet this is the top because there's a little dot, but we will find out. And then there's a parchment paper here. Ooh, look at these pretty pages. Okay, let's see what this is. I'm excited. Ooh. The Evening Ritual. Oh wait, I won't read all of this too. This is awesome. I love the quality of the paper and how it is typed out like that. Oh, and it says Witch's Roots in the background. So this is everything to do an evening ritual. We work towards creating a relaxing and thought-provoking atmosphere as we settle into our evening rituals. The magical items in this box are as follows. And then it lists everything. It looks like there's a lot of stuff. And this is their December box, by the way. But right on top, we have these beautiful pages. And then look at all this. There's a lot of stuff in here. So we have a sheet all about moss agate. And it talks about, oh my God, like everything you would need to know. This is awesome. I see people make their own pages and they're like beautiful artists and write like so well and stuff. And I can't even read my own writing. So that means I definitely can't draw. So this is perfect for me to add into my collection. Oh my God. So it talks about like the composition, classification, mineral class, hardness, celestial influence, element, geographic sources, metaphysical numbers, chakras, description / coloration, etymology, other names, compatible crystals, magical beings, magical properties. Yes, I love this. You guys know I love to just learn about everything that I get, especially like, and it looks like this one we can maybe even frame because it's, or maybe both of them, but this is like a thicker paper with it. Look how beautiful these are. And this one's all about green tea. And it gives the same thing here. Did this one say history? I think there's just a little bit more information because one's a plant, or they're both plants, what am I talking about? But yeah, this one has history on it as well. And botanical allies and stones to work with it. Wait, is it a stone? No, moss agate's a stone. I knew something was, because I saw moss, I was like, what am I? This is a stone, this is a plant. Oh my God, this is so cool. And look at it. Oh my God, I love this. I'm super excited. Oh my God, we're like barely into the box. So yeah, it's Moss Agate, Book of Shadows reference artwork. And, oh, we're going to get some too. And then Green Tea Herbal Grimoire artwork. That's awesome. So let's keep going. Looks like we have a candle here. And it's green. I love how everything's green. I was just saying how I love green. Oh my God, it's a really cool, like, tealish green. Looks like beeswax candle. Yes, love this. And it looks like we have a tea strainer in this pretty green bag. Yep. Oh, cool. Here, let me get it out and I'll show you. So, tea strainer, but isn't this really cute? I think it says thing on the back. Let your spirit unfurl. Awesome. And then, of course, we have some tea. Dreamscapes Ritual Herbal Tea. Not focusing. There you go. It looks like that. It looks like it's reclosable. And then we have some more tea. Chun Mei. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. Ritual Herbal Tea. And our stone, I don't have this yet. This is so exciting and it looks beautiful. And I got some green things today. Yes. Cool. It's like more bluish gray. Oh my god, I'm excited, and now I get to learn a lot more than I know currently about it with that sheet and the artwork. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. And then what is this? I think it's like some rope. Oh, and it's red at the bottom. Let's see before I take it out. Oak leaf tea ball infuser? Is that what? No, that was a. Okay, sandalwood ritual rope incense. I knew it was something like that. This very unique incense is made by hand through a process that involves rolling and twisting incense into small braided form. As you allow the smoke from this incense to waft through your space, allow your spirit to break free from anxiety, starting the process of healing. And you light the red tip that's on the bottom. Nice. Oh, and it talks about the sigil. Yeah, please note that the top of the sigil is marked with a dot. That's what I thought. So the sigil is the Wondrous Slumber sigil print, and created by G. Ibis, and this contains the following words: I fall into a deep and wondrous slumber full of intrigue and mystery. I'm excited. Oh my god, you guys, I had like terrifyingly realistic dreams. I could get it if I start talking about it, it'll take forever. I know my camera only has like 4 minutes left of space left on the SD drive, but yeah, so this will be really useful. I'm having very vivid dreams since I started taking like supplements to open my pineal gland more. It's just crazy, and maybe sleeping better. But this will make me more calm and not afraid to have like these demon dreams again. But they're actually like make me think, do some shadow work. But anyways, see, could just go on about it. We'll talk about it another day if you care. But the last thing here is some anointing oil, Sedatio. Focus. It's like me talking to my brain every day. Focus, please, focus. No, if I was saying that, I'd be way more focused, wouldn't I? But anyways, this is magical anointing oil that's been created with the intention of bringing calming, grounding, and relaxing energies into your dealings. We recommend working with this oil when you're getting close to sleep to fully benefit from its herbal qualities. So it is enchanted with green tea, chamomile, ylang-ylang, lavender, vanilla, and lemon oils, lemon balm, and green tea herbs. And there's a Lemurian quartz in here too to purify our aura. Yeah, there's way more information on here on all of the items, you guys. I thought that was so good. We got sheets and there are also art prints to learn more about the stuff inside, and it all has to do with a ritual, evening ritual, and everything is beautiful, well curated. I love the style of it. I love all the green. I think they did a really good job. This is the only box I've opened from them, of course, and I've never seen any other unboxings, so I am super excited to see what's in the future. But I think that might have been that is my favorite of the 3. I would love to know what you guys think. What boxes did you like today? Do you like all of them? Do you get any of them? And do you suggest any boxes that are like this? Because I'm addicted. I can't really buy any at the moment, but soon. I have a list going, so let me know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I hope you're all safe and healthy. Let me know how you're doing. I love you so much, and I will see you super soon. Bye.